What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today, and I found a hack. Right now, Godox has released a product recently to compete with a lot of the portable LED, the cob lights that's out there on the market, right? Portable, all of that other stuff, right? Now, the thing about it is a lot of us photographers probably don't care about continuous lights because we care about strobes, right? Now, the thing about Godox is they have something called the Godox Mount. Now, this mount is found on the 400. Usually people use the Bowens Mount on the 400, but if you have, let's say, a AD300, like this one right here, then you would know that it comes with a Bowens mount, right? Now, the thing about it, right, I love this light, okay? I love this light. But what I usually do is I use it with my Perisnap, and I have the Godox mount, right? It's a little plate, you can slip in it, and it lets me use it with that to keep everything compact, because that's the reason why I really love this light. So what we know is if we didn't want to do that, we had to use something like this. The S2 bracket. Now, a lot of us hate this bracket, unless you're like the owner of an AD300, because this is really all you have. But a lot of us hate this, and the reason why is because of the size. We cannot put this in a camera bag, and if you do, it's just going to take up unnecessary space. So the thing is, what Godox actually did was they made a bracket, like kind of, well, not bracket, but adapter, right? Because that will be the S2 adapter. They made an adapter for the portable light, and it converts the Godox mounts to a Bowens mount, just like this S2 adapter does. But as you can see, based on the design, if you look at the design of the ML100 Bi, which is the continuous light that Godox sell, you can't use this with it. It doesn't fit the shape. So they pushed this product out, and they didn't let us AD300 users know that it works for it as well. They're really just advertising it as that. Now, the product that I'm talking about would be this right here. Now, this is special. This is beautiful. I bought this with my own money, and I only bought one because I wanted to make sure it fit before I bought another one. Now, let me show you what this is essentially. So basically what you have is right here, you have the Godox mount, and on the other side, you have the Bowens mount, right? And for one, just look at the comparison, right? Let's check that out. So you have the Godox one, right? Well, they're both by Godox, but the S2 bracket, and then come on. This fits in the camera bag like it's nothing right here, right? Like, you don't have to worry about anything when it comes to this compared to the big bulky size of this. So let me just go ahead on and show you how this works. So basically what you do is you take your Godox mount part and you stick it right in there, boom, okay? And I have a snoot, just a regular old snoot right here. We're gonna go ahead on and stick that in. Boom, and just like that, Bowens mount snoot right here, AD300. Hang it on the light stand with the part that comes with the AD300. But let me tell you the best part. Now, right here, if you see right here, that is where you push down and this comes out, right? But let's say you just wanted to buy, I don't know, 5 of these, right? Because you have a favorite modifier. And let's say this right here was your favorite modifier. Well, come here on the AD300, lift down, twist, and now you can make any Bowens adapter, any Bowens modifier, a Godox mount modifier now. And you can just slap it on there and keep it on there, but you don't have to. If you want, you could pull this off and then do it like that. But buy a couple of them, put them on your favorite modifiers that you want to use, and then your Bowens mount modifier automatically turns into this. Now, what I will say is, for everybody watching this video when it released, just know it's extremely hard to get your hands on one of these. I had to get it from Alibaba, AliExpress, or something like that. But I will leave a link down in the description to Amazon and to Flashpoint. And when it's available, then you will be able to. I made a Parasnap video when it was hard to get it. Now it's like you can get it with ease. So hopefully if you are watching this video later than when it releases, it will be absolutely no problem to get your hands on one of these. I am definitely buying another one, and I may buy more to do, like I said, just leave it on things, because like with this snoot, when I use my AD300 in the studio to backlight more than anything. I use my 400 and my 600 Pro to like really light somebody as my main light. But I like to just focus on a certain area. So I may keep this on this snoot right here and just have this in the back just to like gives like some type of side lighting or whatever and not spill on anything else. But definitely a good find. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll respond. So until the next time, peace.